Welcome to Eagle Education. This is Sekhar Metla, software trainer. Today's topic, car game using Python language which is prepared. This is the car game is having how we are going to start the car, stop the car, and again we are initiating the engine when it is the car is on. Like remote, how we are going to be preparing, like a car is going to be moving or starting, stopping. All the facilities are having in this program. You will enjoy in this session by watching this video session. Watch it. Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you about car game using Python. There is a car game, it's a little bit somewhat extend to the earlier games. Little bit complexity is available with this game. You have to understand about the conditions and statements of the loop, how it is going to be iterating on each and every steps. Why I am choosing this one is car, there is an engine start and stop, and we have to know the positions and the options. We have to take the help, which is the button I am going to press. If I press stop and if I press start, what it will going to get in the game, that is also we need to implement in this game. For this, let's start having a session with this car game. As simply I am taking as a command as an empty string. Command as an empty string. Now implementing while loop. While car is true. While true means it is input of the command. Let's show you. Command equal to I'm taking as a user input. How he is giving input like a start or stop or anything, and I'll show him as a prompt to be enter is a meaningful, and always I'm taking it's in a lower. Why I'm here mentioning on a string, like I'll show you here, like see here, if command that's equal to comparing with the start here. That is the start I have written here is in small letters, case sensitive, and so hence I am taking as a user input as an always small. If I am mentioning here is in a start is in a small, and user is entering like a capital camel notation of the start, it won't take it. That is the way in personally I am converting as in a lower digits only for the start, and I am comparing with the if command statement. And if he press the command as in a start, what I want to say that, and print a message is car is started. That's it. The print message is car is started. And elif, if one more command, the condition what I want to implement here is if the command is equal to stop, what I want to go here, print. Now the statement of car is stop. Once the car is start, once he press the start, car will be started, and if he press stop, car is stopped. All right, else what I want to see here, and one more command what I want to go into right here is there is a help I am going to preparing for it. If command is equal to if the user he wants to take an help, I'll mention here with the print statement of key quotes I'll take. Why? Because multiple lines I am going to write here. If you are press the start, start, that indicates to start the car, and if you are press the stop, small letters I am mentioning here, it indicates to stop the car, and quit QUIT, like QUIT. If you hit the quit button to quit the game, quit the game. That's it. This is the multi-line I have taken. This is the syntaxes, as you know that about it. In basic information we have that, and the quit we have mentioned here for the quit the game, and elif we need to mention elif, we need to mention if command is equal to the double quotes QUID quit. And what it says that print of you can say the print, or else you can mention simply here it's a break. Simply terminate the loop from here itself. All right, and else what is the function which we require now? Something other word he is entered. Something other word he is entered. Say something meaningful information. I I don't. Even we are providing the help. He is not entering something. I don't understand. Yeah. I don't understand word keyword. Text help to get more information. Right? You can take it as a text or take help to more information. That is what? Save it and run. Save it and run. On each every step you have a fair idea. I'll recap it. When you press start, car is started. When you press stop, car is stopped. When you press help, you have received help. Start to start the car, stop to stop the car, and quit to quit the game. And when you press quit, it will quit the game and exit. Till the loop is running. Hence, that game what we have implemented, that game is still it's running. All right, that is the way easily we can implement the car game using it's a keyword. Sorry, yeah, that is the simple way to build a car game in the Python programming language. In advancedly, if the car is started, again he is pressing started. What it will goes to in our program. Now start, car is started. When I press start, car is started. What is that? But I want to show that car is already started. It's not required again and again, no, the commands. Once the command is passed and issued, once the car is started, I want to press car is started. And if it is stopped, car is stopped. Such messages, meaningful messages, I want to display to the end user. See how it's the beauty of it. Now, one static string is I have taken started that equal to false by defaultly. Okay. Now, what I want to do the corrections is if the car is started, it's a print. What is the message is showing? Start. Now here you can mention the simple information. If started, what we want to do is car is started. Car is yes. Print message to car is already started. Car is already started. Else, what I want to print here? Started is true. Started true. Started is true, and print car is started. This is the line it is required, right? And if you run this, stop it. Yep, rerun. Now see here, start. Car is started. If I press the start again, car is already started. Simple for this. The initial stage it is false, and car is start. If I press the start, it will be treated car by default. It is a car is false. I am passing, and now here it will be goes to car is started is true, and printing the message is car is started. If I press the car is start like a start keyword, it says that car is already started. That is very much pretty easy, simple. Similarly, you can take in a printout like a method of car is stop. as well as is already stopped. That is also it can be possible to implement over here. If we will see here, now it's gonna stop here now. Yes, and hit enter here. If not started, simple. If not started, what I want to run the here. If not started, print car is already stopped. Print the meaningful message is car is already stopped. And after once this else part, what we need to go to do is, yeah, within the else part, start of the car is started car is, we are pushing into the false. Now we can make a move to this alignment. Yeah, now run it. Yes, rerun. Now you can press the start. Started. Again start. Car is already started. Stop. Car is stopped. Again you press stop. Car is already stopped. See how beautification you are implementing the program. All but this how it is going to the structure of the program. While we are implementing while loop, we are taking in a lower interface with the user input as a lower digits, characters, and this is what we are comparing with the start, stop, and help and create. Based on the condition, we are comparing with the statements and passing the statements of if else conditions. We are playing with this game. As simple. You simply recap twice or thrice with this tutorial. You will have a good idea about it. The simply. Alright. Hope you better understand.
I hope it will be useful to you. Thanks for watching Eagle Education. Please do subscribe, like, share and comment. For more details, find the description below. My details are available if any tutorial and requirements. Thank you.